Hello ladies and gentlemen, Lizard Boy here, and for today's video, I have no idea what I got myself into. I'm going to need a little help from him. Yes, he's going to help me though, because I recently just bought these weird ass Japanese candy and snacks. Like, look. Like a lot. Like, I literally bought, like, a lot of it in a pack. So I thought I'd do a little video for you guys, me tasting these. Because, I mean, I bought offline, a little packet like this. Thought I'd show you guys what I got, though, and test these out. But, I mean, there's a lot, guys. There's a lot. And I didn't expect this to be that much, to be honest. But we're going to try the small stuff first. Then we're going to move on to the big things. And so for the first one, I got this little treat right here. I have no idea what it is. Felix. I think it smells like gum. I think it's gum. And this is actual Japanese candy, guys. Oh yeah. This is like a strawberry gum. See? Ah! See? Ooh. I just got a really big hint of mint all of a sudden. So this is basically like a strawberry minty kind of gum. Ugh. Not bad, it's just I'm not a really big fan of gum, to be honest. I'll be right back, I guess. You know, I gotta be right back. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah. Ooh, sorry about that, guys. Not much of a gum person, though. Alright, next we got this Melon Candy. Come on. Ooh. Smells like melon. It's actually not that bad. Oh god. Oh, I can really taste the melon now. It's actually not bad. That's actually really good. Alright, next we got looks like the same thing but orange flavor. Oh yeah. Exact same thing but orange flavor. No, that's grapefruit. That's grapefruit. Oh. Mm. It was strong at first, but not that much afterwards. Alright, next we got... I have no idea what this is. Oh man, that grapefruit's starting to hit me now. Kind of looks like, what is this? Oh, whew. Oh man, I'm not so sure I'm going to enjoy this. Still got through that grapefruit thing. I don't know what these are. I can tell you one thing, I'm not going to enjoy this though, that's for damn sure. You want to try it, man? Oh. It's kind of like gum. It's kind of like gum, almost though, but like a little bit cinnamony, kind of, to it. Like a citrus. A slight mint to it though. Not bad. Alright, next we got this little treat ball. Looks like oh man, that's really tough. You can see. I'm going to try to take small bites out of these things because I do want to save them. Because if I do like them, I want to at least try some more of it though. It's kind of like a weird soda. It kind of tastes like Coca-Cola with caramel mixed with it. Like the vanilla Coke. That's what it tastes like, the vanilla Coke. Oh god, I'm already getting gassy. Alright, next we got these. Looks like frozen marshmallows, kind of. The way it looks. Ooh, it smells like air freshener. No joke, it smells like air freshener. I swear to God, these berry mints. Oh. Ah. It fizzes up though in your mouth though. It's like a weird, a little bit aftertaste of a berry kind of flavor. Like blackberry? Ah. Ah. Ugh. Alright, next. Oh man. Looks like a Hello Kitty. Looks like a marshmallow with chocolate in the middle of it though. I swear to God, that's what it looks like. A chocolate marshmallows in it. Oh my God. That's what it is. It's a chocolate. It's a marshmallow chocolate in the middle of it. Guys, like, come on. This one you have to try. Mmm. Oh my god, that's so good. I'm gonna have to get more of that. Alright, next we got... Kinda looks like... Oh man, this better not be sour. It's a little packet though. I think it might be like little snack treats though, kind of. What was it? Oh god, it smells like soy sauce. Ugh. Oh man. Is that seaweed? Oh. Mm-mm. Oh. Oh man. Ah. It's like a sushi cracker. Oh god. I mean, I love sushi, but something like that. Oh man. That was bad. That was really bad. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, next we got a lollipop. Ooh. Looks like a lollipop, I think. Ooh. Ooh. Ugh. Oh god, no. It's like hard cider, though. I'm sorry, guys. I can't eat that, though. That's like a weird hard cider kind of thing. Ugh. Oh, God. Ugh. Oh, I can still taste the previous stuff in my mouth, though. That nasty ass. Alright. What I got next? So I got 3 of these little tube things. Oh man, looks like one might be corn flavor. I think they're all the same though. We'll just try the I want the corn on it though. Let's see how that goes. I'm pretty sure they're the same. Oh, it's like a giant cheese puff, kind of. Huh. Oh, man. That tastes like corn with butter on it. Like a lot. Oh, I'm so lucky I have no food allergies, guys. I'm no, like, no joke. I have no food allergies, and this is like... Oh, man. Oh, I'm pretty sure these are all the same, though. Oh, man. Woo. Ah. Oh, please. I should have bought some Japanese kind of drink, though, to go with it. Ah. Alright, next we got these. Oh, God. Don't tell me it's corn flavor Pocky Sticks. The ones I got before those, which is the chocolate and cookies and cream, I got these now. Oh, God, it's corn flavor. Oh, God, that corn one was butter. Oh, God. There it is. Ah, it's so much better. I mean, slight corn butter taste of it though, but it tastes more like it's on a rich cracker though, like a cracker kind of. Ah. Now this one I enjoy more. That other one was like, I can still taste the aftertaste of it though. Alright, next we got. Oh my god. What's up with these people? Why do people like this though? It's so weird. I don't know what this is though. It's still, like, I'm not very good at my Japanese though. Smells like sriracha sauce, kind of. Get it open. Oh wait, no, it smells like actually cocktail sauce, kind of. Not too bad. Kind of salty though and dry. Kind of like a really. It's not too bad. It's actually pretty good. Alright, next we looks like we got some regular crackers. Crackers. My god, some crackers. Okay, that's got a weird smell to it though. Ugh. And a weird taste to it though, too. Ugh. Ugh. Ah. Okay, it's got a weird tangerine taste to it though. It'd be good in like some kind of Japanese soup, maybe? I don't know. God, I'm starting to feel like I'm getting sick. Alright, next we got this. It's like more crackers, but kind of different ways though. I can get it open. There's one of the little treats. Kind of weird. I really got any taste to it though. Like a little waffle chip though, kind of. You know what it does taste like? Actually, it's got a little flavor. Fried zucchini. That's what it tastes like, though. Huh. Interesting. Man. Man, I don't know what this is. This looks like a rice patty, but it's gotta be like... I can tell you what, with the crab on it, it's gonna taste like seafood, though. And with the cracker on it, I mean... I love seafood, though, but guys, this is just... Oh god. It smells like fucking... It smells... Oops. It smells like... Oh man, that previous one. I think it's might be that previous one I had. Oh god. How do you people like this stuff? It tastes like crawdad though. Mixed with some sushi though. But, oh man. Ah. Why do I do this? Why do I do this? Okay. I swear to God, this better not be like the corns one though, because I'm getting something different now. Ugh. Looks like cheese puffs though. Kind of. Yeah. You know, it kind of tastes like Lay's sour cream and onion, kind of. Although I have a stronger taste of the onion flavor, though. That's not too bad. Oh, man. Oh, God. Oh, man. You're supposed to help me out with this. What's wrong with you? Alright, lastly we got... Oh, thank God it's chocolate, though. I don't know what these are. Looks like brownie bites, though, kind of. Oh, it smells like chocolate, thank God. Smells like Cocoa Puffs, kind of. There it is. Oh my God. It tastes exactly like Cocoa Puffs. Well, a little bit of fudge flavor to it. You know what? I bet this would be great. You take a big bag of this and put it in with some milk. You have a whole bowl of cereal right there. Oh my God, guys. These things are amazing. Mmm. Alright guys, that's it for all this weird-ass Japanese candy. Me tasting it though, I have to say guys, there's some horrible ones and there's some good ones there, but... Oh my God, such a bad taste in my mouth though, I'm telling you guys. Ugh. But thank you guys so much for watching this. Please let me know in the comments below if you guys actually tried any Japanese candy or anything like this though. Because this is a weird experience for me though. Big time. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed it though. I'm pretty sure I might do another one. Maybe though, if you guys want me to. I'll see you guys and talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.